Robert using his new chainsaw and climbing up to the tree. And now he started. There he goes.
Oh, Dave.
Yeah, that's a good one.
My new McCulloch chainsaw.
Yeah.
Because every man needs a chainsaw. Thanks, Darwin.